you have eggs, tomatoes, ugu leaves and a little smoked fish at home, don't make another boring sauce. This vegetable sauce is rich, colorful, spicy and packed with flavor. And it goes perfectly with rice, plantain and so many Nigerian dishes. Let me show you how I made this. Here are the ingredients I will be using. Groundnut oil, smoked mackerel fish, onion, thyme, curry powder, kitchen glory, Knorr cubes, salt, freshly grounded pepper, crayfish, fresh tomatoes, eggs, and my washed sliced ugu, also known as fluted pumpkin. I started by heating my frying pan and adding some groundnut oil. Then I added my thyme, curry powder and kitchen glory directly into the oil. This helps release the flavor and aroma of the spices. Next, I added my sliced onions. And just as I was adding the onions, NEPA decided to take the light. But no problems, we continue once the light comes back. I added my sliced fresh tomatoes and fresh peppers, then seasoned with salt. I stirred everything together and allowed the tomato to fry until that sour, raw taste disappeared and the tomatoes cooked down nicely. While that was frying, I cracked my eggs into a plate, added a little salt and whisked them together. Once my tomatoes were well fried, just the way I wanted, I poured the eggs over the tomato mixture, covered the pan and allowed them to cook for a few minutes. Then I opened it and gave everything a good stir, breaking up the eggs and combining them beautifully with the tomatoes. Next, I added the smoked mackerel fish that I had already pieced into smaller portions. I also added my Knorr cubes, stirred everything together and tested for the seasoning. And honestly, the taste was already looking and smelling so good. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and I truly appreciate your support. Thank you. I covered the pan and allowed it to cook for a little while so the sauce could absorb the flavor of the smoked fish. After that, I added my crayfish and allowed it to cook for about 1 minute. Then came the final ingredients, my washed and sliced ugu leaves, also known as fluted pumpkin. I added the ugu leaves, stir everything together and allow it to cook for just about 2 minutes. I didn't want to overcook the vegetables because I still wanted that beautiful green color. And that is it, our vegetable sauce is ready. Just look at that color. This sauce was absolutely delicious and I'm not going to lie, we enjoyed it so much with rice. The combination of the eggs, smoked fish, crayfish, tomatoes and ugu gave it such a rich and satisfying flavor. And the best part is that you don't have to eat it with rice alone. You can enjoy this vegetable sauce with boiled yam, plantain, potatoes, pasta or any Nigerian side dishes that you love. If you tried this vegetable sauce, let me know in the comments what you enjoyed it with. And if you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious Nigerian recipes and share it with someone who would love this sauce. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next recipe. Bye.